Hi, I'm Russell Leake. Let's look at Libero for how you can highlight players using the focus and grow tools. So I've got my clip here. I have calibrated it, but I don't have a 3D frame at the moment. So you can see it says 2D plus here. What I can do is come to this section, and using AI, I can just hit detect, and now all of those players are now detected. And if I go back to my timeline, you can see that now it's a 3D frame. And once I've got a 3D frame, then some of these other tools become available to me. So I can use things like grey board. So I could select a particular player, and now we've got a grey board where the player is highlighted and the rest of the pitch is greyed out. Then we could use the same thing. We could use something like the player grow, and again I could click on this player, and now we've used the grey board, but now we've got this grow capability. I can adjust with the transitions here, and so now you can see, and I can also come in here and select the size. So the grow factor I can scale up, so you can see now I'm able to scale that particular player up and then out, and all of this is adjustable, just like an NLE that you can change the in and out, or I can position it on the timeline like so. You've also got player hide, player move, zone focus, etc., that are really useful to use once you've got that 3D frame.